Oh yeah. Got a little bit of
Daddy,
dirt in there.
Remember
I mean, look at that.
the first time you got the blazer? Remember, like half of the side came off?
It's super dirty. Yeah. I'm gonna hand you watch those little dilly bobs there. I'm gonna hand you this and fold. I'm gonna fold it. And you can walk to the other side of the car holding it like this. There you go. And when you get over to the other side, just step out on the floor. It's brown. Get it worked in maybe. This is absolutely the crappiest stinking knife on the face of the planet. Garbage. So fat.
Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows, only time. And who can say if your love grows as your heart shows, only time.
I have to forgive my Darth Vader impression because I have asthma and my insurance doesn't cover the medication that works. So bear with me. We got to kind of halfway on the back here. It's making do. I still gotta tuck that in, but that's all right. Seats in. This carpet is actually, see if I can find the label for it. You ain't gonna believe it. This carpet would have cost me nearly $500 if I was gonna get something that was cut to fit, so to speak, for a Hudson Hornet. And it was gonna cost about, and the lighting is terrible in here, but it's gonna cost me about $400 or $500. This stuff right here, 5x7, $18.99 at Ollie's. I gotta put my little trim pieces on there, but I think it turned out pretty good. You trim it out right and put 300 pounds of fat man on it and it'll compress down. I think this up here, it may relax out, it might not. I'll probably end up having this jump from the stuff. I'll probably end up having to put a couple of relief cuts in there. But in my opinion, not that it matters, But that's a lot better than 400. This right here was an Ollie's rug too. Downside to this stuff is it is super rigid. Like I said, you just eat lots of strombolis, calzones, and biscuits and gravies, and you too can make your carpet conform. Thank you very much.